Indian history and mythology contains stories of unassuming women. Many female deities, Saraswati, Lakshmi, Durga, are worshipped across the country. There was a time when women struggled to achieve what they were truly born to be. In India, women population is around 50% of total population. If we talk about ancient time, women did not share an equal position with men. They enjoy lower status than that of man from times immemorial. The birth of a daughter was unwelcome. The son earned money and protected the family from enemy. Woman was considered to be a commodity which could be kept on bet and be sold and purchased. In the early days, there were several issues like sati system, no widow remarriages, Devdas system and more. Today the problems are not same, but they are still as severe as the early ones and make the women feel inferior. These situations are a result of rituals since decades. One side, people worship females as goddess, and on the other side, they abuse them endlessly and consider them inferior. In Indian society, females always had some problems to face. Today, we talk on women empowerment, women equality, and women's right. But in India, gender inequality is still a global problem. Although the Constitution of India grants males and females equal rights, gender disparity in health, education, politics, and in many fields. In India, there are so many examples of how women and girls are facing humiliation at their homes and in society. For example, women eat food after their husband at many places. Demands of son is fulfilled quickly than daughters. Most of the family members do not feel happy when girl child born at their homes. There is less participation of females in taking decisions related to home matters. In many cases, women depends on their father, brothers, husbands and sometimes sons. According to the survey in 2018, 27% of women have experienced physical violence since age 15 in India, and this violence is more common among women of urban areas. 31% of married women have experienced physical, sexual, and emotional violence by their spouses. The world has entered into a new millennium, but the women of the society of India continue to be ill-treated. No doubt that in many places, women is dependent, weak, exploited and faces gender discrimination in every sphere of life.